and we are going to put her up here. Regrets. Hi, so today we're going to be doing another little makeup video. It's Halloween today. I know. It is now February. Unfortunately I have work tonight, so I can't do anything overly extravagant. I did want to do something really cool, but the time just isn't really right for it. So next Halloween I'll have a sick ass costume and makeup plan. I already bought all the stuff too because I was planning on doing it, but it didn't end up happening. So I'm a little nervous about this look because I'm endeavoring to do a little like purple, gold, white makeup eye look, and if you know anything about purple eyeshadow, doesn't really like to blend, and as is, my blending skills are not very good, so I'm a little nervous. But yeah, that's what we're gonna attempt to do today before I have to head off to work. And obviously I don't want to go too big because I am gonna be at work before I manage to go out to my Halloween party. But yes, so we're going to test this little look out. I'm sorry that you can probably hear the fan, and if that noise is annoying you, well, put up with it because it's really fucking hot, and I'm not turning it off. Keep watching if you want to check out this little purple goldy makeup look. Alrighty, so you guys know the drill. We are going to go in with the Nude by Nature primer. I don't actually know if it's any good, but that's just what I have and that's what I use. And then we're going to go in with my Wonder Brow Sports Girl palette, do my eyebrows, conceal, cut them off with the Supersize Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And we're also going to prime my eyes and prep them with some concealer. So you can see it now. Alright, so I cut my eyebrows a little bit more than what I would have liked, but I will. Too bad, too sad. We're whipping out, of course, the only good palette I own, the James Morphe Artistry palette. And as we all know, we got some big ass, bright ass purples down here, and I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna make do. Might even play around with some of these cute little blues down here. So I've decided we're gonna start off with Escape, which is the biggest, brightest purple in there, and we are gonna put that down first. Put that in my crease. Oh geez, she's already very dark. Look at that. That's a bit hard with this lighting because it's daytime and the spot is not very good. And I've got my ring light on to try and make up for that, but that's fine. Okay. Oh my lord, that's already a lot of product. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fuck me, this is gonna be a mission. Alrighty, I'm gonna take Single, which is this lighter purple here, and try and blend it in a little bit on my inner lid. I'm not gonna go all the way though, because I'm most likely gonna do some sort of cut crease. Okay, if you have a look at that, it basically looks the exact same. So I'm not going to do too much of that at all. Like, it literally looks basically the exact same. Alright, we'll be back. So I don't really have to worry about blending since it looks the exact same. But now I'm going to take this one here, which is called Love That. Yes. And we are going to put her up here. Regrets. We can make this work. Come on. Come on. Alright, so we're gonna have to blend the shit out of her. Why'd I do that? Alrighty, so I just tried to blend it out. Semi-worked, but then I've also just taken a wet cotton bud to like dull it down a little bit because she was looking a tad intense. We gonna cut the crease now. And I was about to fucking just stick that on my eye then. I like how I keep doing everything on this eye when you guys are seeing this eye. That's enough of it. Alrighty, so we're locked and loaded. We're gonna go in with the sparkly purple, which is called Artistry. I'm scared. Oh jeez, I don't know how well that's gonna show up. I'm like digging into this. Oh shit, I got too much now. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, let's give this bad boy go. Let's do it on this eye, so you can see. Alright. She's not very glittery as much as I'd hoped. Oh, we're packing it on now because that's how we roll. Alrighty, so I'm going to try and blend that out a little bit more, make it a bit darker because it's not really working too well, and I'll be back. Alrighty, so I've just tried to kind of buff it out on the edges. Of course I'm going to need to fix that up with a makeup light, but yeah, the glitter definitely looks a bit better. I just went in with a bit more of single over the top of the edge of my cut crease, and then I went in a bit more with Escape to darken out the outside, and I kind of want to darken it up just a tiny bit more. So I am going to take the big bad boy Spooky with just the tiniest little brush, the tiniest little bit of powder, and put it on my outer corner on top of Escape. And don't worry, we're gonna blend it out because otherwise she's gonna look a bit weird. But yes, I will be back. Alright, so I didn't blend the black out amazingly, but I did give that extra little punch that I wanted. I'm just gonna go grab a makeup light, fix up the excess. So, awkward. This is getting too light to go on top. And this is actually a crayon. I did not realize that when I bought it. I thought it was a liquid liner, but it is a crayon liner. And I don't trust myself doing a wing with a crayon. So I'm going to go in with my usual mode liquid eyeliner and just do a wing. You know how I'm about doing it on camera though, so I'll see you soon. So that legitimately just took me about 10 minutes and I'm still not fully even happy with it. They don't really look alike. It's a lot bigger than what I usually do for my eyeliner. But it's Halloween, so gang. So I'm gonna try and go in with some white eyeliner, and I'm also just going to drag the eyeshadow out a little bit more along to the wings. But yeah, I'm just going to drag it out a bit more so that it's all in line, and use my white eyeliner pencil for my bottom waterline. Alright, so I'm very unsure about adding any gold, but I thought, since I said I would add gold, I will do a little inner corner highlight that is gold, because I really like just the natural purple look now that I've done it. I don't want to ruin that with adding too much gold somewhere. But yes, this look is giving me some witchy vibes for Halloween. Originally I was thinking some like Cleopatra inspo, even though she does like, look, we don't actually know what she did. Oh, hi. Hey, just come in to say hello. She's down there. Hi. She's not getting enough attention, and there's thunder, so she might be getting a little scared. So since that gold isn't working, I'm gonna go in with So Good instead. And we're gonna give her a go. Oh, really? Really? No. Told ya, she wants attention real bad, so I better hurry this look along. Alright. Again, done it on the eye that you guys cannot see. So Good comes up. It's not very pigmented against the purple glitter, but it does come up. Alright, we'll be back. I also added eyebrow highlight, if you can see that. I was contemplating doing some purple on the under eye, but I think I want to just leave it at that. What I thought I would do is I am gonna grab that gold that's called Wig, ooh, and use it as my highlighter again, like I did last time, except this time I've done even. Nope. It's way too much for a bare face. So yeah, as we remember last time, I cannot do face makeup because my skin just fucking flips its shit every time. We're just gonna be plain and simple, and we're gonna grab ring light as per usual and use that as a highlighter, because I don't want to use my other highlighter because she's a bit funny. And I feel like ring light's always a trusty highlight in this palette. So I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. I also attempted to contour without any base face. I don't know if it actually worked, if you can actually see a difference, but I gave it a go. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline The Colossal Volume mascara, and it never really works that well because my liquid eyeliner always gets stuck in my eyelashes. Again, doing it on the eye that's not in front of the camera. Jeez, I'm really on a roll today. I'm just gonna keep trying to get that to work, and I'll be back. Alrighty, it's hard to see that I've even put mascara on since the liquid eyeliner, but I'm also going to go in with that So Good gold highlighter and just put it on my upper lip and the tip of my nose, just to make myself nice and shiny. We love a good glitz and glam. Alrighty, and I'm gonna pray that this works, but I'm gonna try and use my gold liquid liner to do a little star under my eye. You can't see that bitch at all. So we're gonna use the black liquid liner and try and do the star. Look, I suck at stars on the best of days, so using eyeliner on my face is terrifying. Especially since it's not very pointed. Oh, she's not too bad. She's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. I'm gonna fill her in black. I'm definitely running out of liner, guys. She's very crooked. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there because my eyes are starting to water from staring for so long. Alrighty, so we're gonna let her dry. I might leave it at that because I'm scared that if I do anything else I might fuck it. Ooh. So I'm gonna leave it at this because I don't want to keep experimenting and screw it all up because I don't really have the time because I've got to get to work very shortly. But yes, I think this is a pretty cute kind of witchy look, very simple if you want to keep that look of being cute for Halloween still and not on the spooky side of things. But yes, all I have left is to set it with some spray and I'll be happy with how this turned out. So it's very purpley, very bit of glitter, and you can see the finished look now. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you do enjoy my videos and that you enjoyed this little look. It was very fun to create, very time consuming because I'm a bit of a scaredy cat, but I loved it nonetheless. So thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Oh, Paige is coming to say bye. Bye!